In today's video, I will show you how to appear offline on Telegram in 2 simple steps. Be sure you watch this video to the end and follow every step carefully. Open up your Telegram app and tab your profile picture. Go to settings and select privacy and security. Tap on last seen and online. Who can see my last seen time? There are two options here. If you put it to my contact, then you're going to add specific people in your contact list. It could be your mother or whosoever that you trust that you want to share your online status with. You can add them. But if you want to appear offline totally on Telegram, that you want nobody to see you at all, you need to come back and put it to nobody. Then you are going to appear offline on Telegram totally. Then high read time, turn this one also. This means that you will be able to read people messages without them knowing that you have read their messages, and this is how you're going to appear offline on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips.